ఏఐ విప్లవంలో ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ను అగ్రపథాన నిలుపుతామని మంత్రి నారా లోకేష్ తెలిపారు. ప్రతి కుటుంబంలో ఏఐ ప్రొఫెషనల్ ఉండాలనేది సీఎం చంద్రబాబు విజన్ అన్నారు. ఏపీలో గూగుల్ పెట్టుబడి ప్రారంభం మాత్రమేనని భవిష్యత్తులో అద్భుతాలు సృష్టిస్తామన్నారు. శాన్ ఫ్రాన్సిస్కో బే ఏరియా కౌన్సిల్ సమావేశంలో పాల్గొన్న మంత్రి లోకేష్ ఏపీలో పెట్టుబడులకు ఉన్న అవకాశాలను వివిధ కంపెనీల ప్రతినిధులకు వివరించారు.
Andhra Pradesh, the state that I represent, is one of the youngest states in India. We are about $180 billion economy, aspiring to be a $2.4 trillion economy. That means we need to grow at a CAGR of 15% year on year. And the way we've approached this growth is a clusterization: automotive, renewable energy, electronics, compressed biogas, ports, aqua, all the way up to, of course, AI, data city, and the whole ecosystem. Renewable energy, we are among the top 5 in the country. So now we want to be either 1, if not 2, in the sectors that we operate in. So this is in automotive, drones, space. We're doing this in electronics manufacturing. We're doing this in medical devices, pharma, chemical, IT, of course, IT services, the entire data city. So that's been a very regimented approach in the way we believe that clusters have to be built out, and that's what makes, again, Andhra Pradesh very unique. And Mr. Naidu is known to positively influence policy in the interest, of course, of the nation, and the state gets a first mover advantage. Case in point, ArcelorMittal project. Case in point, what we have done with Google. Coming to AI, so for us, we believe that the investment of Google is just the beginning. I believe it's a catalyst. Today we spent almost 2 hours with the leadership team of Google to look at how can we now leverage upon it. Of course, I want to create more jobs. How do I look at the manufacturing, the build out? You will have to replace all the servers. There's the end of life. How do you do manufacturing? So all that is my vertical bit. But a horizontal bit is how do I prepare my workforce? So how do I embrace AI? There's no point of resisting it. Change is inevitable. So how do I revamp my curriculum? How do I create cutting-edge research happening? This is the kind of approach that we're taking. And my chief minister has this vision of one family, one AI. So can each family member create a use case and how they should use the AI to improve their lives or learn or improve learning outcomes. So think about it from a farmer. Think about it from skill census. So it's a very wacky project that we're doing, which I think we'll present it at the AI Summit in Feb. Imagine we'll be able to assess skills across trades using conversational AI. It's a very powerful thing. So Mr. Naidu made this electoral promise that we will skill census, and then of course he left it to youngsters like me to figure out how to do it. I did it in the traditional way, and rest assured we fell flat. Then we discovered this entire conversational AI piece where we can assess from an AC repair lift operator to an AI engineer. So this is the kind of work that I believe AI can fundamentally transform and enable governments to do better delivery. So that's what sets us apart, and that's what makes it very exciting from an Andhra's perspective, from an India's perspective.